In this video, you will learn how to log into Workday app as an employee. First, to log into the Workday app as an employee, follow these simple steps. Download the Workday app, either from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store if you have not already. Then, open the Workday app on your mobile device. When you open the app, you'll be prompted to enter your company's name, such as Workday URL. This is typically a custom link provided by your company, such as workday.com/your company name. Once your URL is correctly entered, you'll be asked to enter your Workday username and your password. These credentials are provided by your employer, such as your HR department. After that, enter in that information and then tap sign in. You might be asked additional steps like multi-factor authentication, depending on your company's security measures. Once logged in, you will have full access to the Workday features assigned to you, such as time tracking, payroll, and other HR tasks. If you have any trouble logging in, contact your IT department or HR to help with your username and password, or any specific setup instructions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.